son is loud. I am sorry. Okay, so we're good to go. Perfect.
Okay, let me get to the quiz report.
I got to do that too. Bless you.
Thank you.
All right, I made it.
Perfect.
Okay, so using
Oh.
Okay, I am there. Sorry, turn it off.
So for one, I got 0.1745.
Yes,
I
but
mean,
we have
sorry.
to round it to 3,
For
right?
3. Sorry, for question 3. Say 3. Oh, yeah, you're right. 1 point. Sorry.
I got that, but then I rounded, so.
Yeah, sorry, that was my bad.
Oh, you're good.
0.175.
Yeah, 175. Oh, yeah. Rounding 175. Does she want us to put everything in decimals again? Round your answer to the third decimal.
Yeah, 3 decimals.
Okay. Just because sometimes the answers are in decimals and she's like, put them in real numbers. Sometimes
Yeah.
real numbers, put them in the decimal.
And hopefully she'll specify on each question, but.
Hey, you talking?
Okay, stop it. Oh my goodness, go.
I want to say that it can't be determined with the information given. But oh wait, did I just skip to 4? Oh no. There's 2 other questions.
Gosh, it was annoying. Anybody have any thoughts on this one?
I think it is the distribution of the individual observations.
It's kind of what I was thinking, but I'm not sure how to explain why I'm thinking it. Makes sense in my head. Do we want to just put it and try it?
Sure. Sample size increase. Well, I don't think it's central limit theorem. And it could be law of large numbers. Randomly generated variables increases their sample mean average. Cool. Well, maybe not.
I'm kind of leaning towards that law of large numbers too. What do you think, Randy?
Looking in our book, and it's saying that. Let me read it. When the sample mean is normally distributed. What's the question? I just don't remember. Yes, I don't know. I thought it might be a trick question because we didn't really talk about the law of large numbers in lesson 7.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
And so that's why I was a little hesitant on it.
Did you guys freeze, or did everyone just freeze just for me?
You left and then came back.
Did I?
Oh. So you froze.
Oh. Sorry. I don't know what happened.
And I was thinking the central limit theorem, solely based off of, that's kind of the one thing that we talked about. Was like the first thing in lesson 7, the book
Yeah.
talks about the central limit theorem, but I'm like trying to compare what it says in the book and what the question is. And
Well, I
they
guess
don't
that
really
one might be
match.
it too, because it could be central because it's asking about the spread in the mean, which is kind of like the distribution, right? Which is what the central theorem talks about.
Yeah, it does.
I don't know. Tricky.
So I would say go with the central limit theorem.
Okay.
Z-score corresponding to D score. So we did this last week, and I tried to shut it out from my brain. There was,
The z-score was, so it would be the 160 minus the mean, which is 150.8 over the standard deviation.
yeah.
So let me pull out my calculator. I got 1.045.
That's what I got.
Keep getting this big number.
How do you have your problem set up?
Okay, there we go.
I got 0.148.
Yeah.
7.
Three plus one plus 150. So the mean is 160.
So the z-score would be the same because the average is 160, wouldn't it? Wouldn't be 1.045.
Yeah, I feel like it's a trick question, but I'm just leery, I think.
Okay, I don't know why it keeps kicking me out. It just said I have an authentic. Gosh, how do you say that word? Authentication issue. Did I say that right? So if I cut out again, I'm sorry. I don't mean to.
Okay. So, Amanda, I was thinking since the average is 160, it's
Yeah.
asking, or I guess the mean is 160, the Z-score would be the same as question 6 because that's what Diane got.
Yeah.
Does that sound right?
Yeah.
I think so.
But, well, I double did it because the question's a little weird because I don't know why it would repeat. Well, repeat. So, but yeah, no, I agree with you. It's greater than the mean achieved by the students. I read them. For this question, do we need to know what the high score is on the GRE?
The high score? I don't think so. I got 0.0103.
Can you go over how you did that?
Yeah, so it's asking the 5 randomly selected students is that formula. Where am I? So I'm getting the z-score.
So x minus the funky u divided by the funky o.
Yeah, so what I did is the 160 minus 158 over the standard deviation over the square root of the sample size.
Okay, that's what I was trying to figure, but I didn't get that number, so I must have done it wrong.
Oh, and so after I ran all that, I got 2.314,
Oh, okay.
and then
That's what I'm getting.
I plugged that into the probability applet,
Oh, duh, that's what I forgot to do.
and then because the question is asking, we'll have a mean score that is greater, so you just shade the upper portion,
Yeah, that
and
makes
it's
sense.
0.0103.
Perfect. Okay. I always forget that. There's so many steps, and I forget them. We do a lot of review before our first test.
Well, I hope I'm right because I don't want to lead you guys astray.
Well, that's what I was getting to, but I forgot to plug it in to the applet because I got that number, the 2-point number. But okay, so I think let's try that.
Okay.
So we're on 10.
Sample mean of 81. That would be normal, right? Because it's greater than 35.
Yeah, I'll do approximately normal on that one.
Hold on, I'm gonna get some water.
So this one's just 3.5, isn't it? The mean distribution of the sample size.
I think so.
And it's just the value in the question, 3.5.
Yeah. Oh, honey. Kelly.
Did you guys say 3.5?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Standard. Hi, sweetie. I'm on my. You're fine. Would it just be the 0.7? The standard deviation?
I got 0.078.
I'm almost.
Yeah, that's what I got too, but I made it too hard the first time. It was easier than I thought it was. It's terrible.
Yeah, since it's asking the standard deviation.
Standard deviation. Yeah.
So you get the current standard, the standard deviation up there divided by the square root of the sample size. 0.078.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm there.
I got 0.005.
Okay, so how did you do that one? This one's stumping me.
So
It shouldn't be.
I got the so the 3.5. So we're trying to find the less than. So I
Yeah.
got the 3.3 minus the 3.5
Oh,
over the mean, which is the standard deviation of 0.7
yeah.
over the square root of the sample size, 81.
Right.
And so, well, we already calculated the on question 12, the standard deviation of the distribution. And so the 3.2 minus 3.5 is just 0.2. So I did 0.2 divided by the standard deviation, or question 12, which gave me 2.571. Plugged that into the applet and just shaded the lower portion, and it gave me 0.0.
Okay.
Okay. I forgot to do the applet for this one.
I know. I always forget that. I need to highlight that word probability so I'll remember.
So this is the exact same question.
Is it, or is it wanting the other end of the spectrum?
Yeah, but you'd have to not shade that one and then shade the other one, but it gives you the exact same values.
Oh, is it? Okay.
I got 0.055.
That's what I got too.
Which part of the applet did you shade?
Both the top and bottom.
Okay. Want me to put headphones in?
All right, I wrote them all down. Anyone submitted it yet?
No.
So I'm gonna go for it and see what happens.
Sure. Good luck.
All right. So we got question 4 wrong.
Okay.
And 5 as well. 4, 5, 6 is correct. 7 is correct. 8 is wrong. 9 is wrong. And 14 is wrong.
Okay. It's not too much damage.
All right, so for question 4, Amanda, weren't you thinking that it can't be determined?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I guess you can give that one a try.
Okay. And I also thought it was the law of large numbers for,
5.
yeah.
Okay.
So 6 and 7 were right, and it was 8 that was wrong.
Yeah, 8 and 9 were wrong.
8 and 9. Okay. We're gonna
Ugh.
Whoever's kid that is very talented.
Sorry.
No, it's amusing. It's good
He's
back.
He's excited about some rocket. I don't know. I'm really drawing a blank for 8 because I don't know how else to do it differently than the way we did.
Yep, stop. Mine's been on mute because I have a 2-year-old girl having tantrum issues. So how did we do it last time? I can't even find it. She colored my page in.
So all we did last time is we got the mean of each one of those, which was 160.
Yeah.
We calculated the z-score from that.
Right.
And obviously 160 is question 6. It's asking the z-score of 160. So
Okay. Trying to think. Go look at number 12.
what was that?
Would you like number 12?
Do it like we did number 12?
Well, like, so for number 12, we had to find, like, a different standard deviation. So on this, for the z-score, do we have to find a different one? I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah, so
It's like it's asking for the z-score of, yeah. It's hard to explain. So what we do 160 minus the that it gave us above, like 150.8 or something, over the standard deviation over the square root of n.
That's what we did last time.
Is
Didn't
it?
we?
Because I'm not getting the same number.
Oh. No, yeah, you're right. That's dumb.
Because
my
in
bad.
the in the homework reading or whatever, it says that if the sample mean is normally distributed, you can consider the sample mean as x with the line over it.
Yeah.
So then you subtract that from your mean. That's the only thing I can think of. But
Okay. Yeah.
let's work it and see what it.
So let's see.
So I got like 2.338.
Yep, that's what I got. 2.338.
So then we got 9 wrong too.
And so this one, it would be 0.01 for 9.
Yes. Mm-hmm. That's what I thought. Kelly, please stop.
And then 14. So for this one, do we have to shade in the middle and the right portion on the applet for 14?
What were you saying? Shade different?
In 14, I mean,
Yeah.
we put the same answer in 13 and 14. Because 13
Yeah.
is asking if it'll be less than, 14 is greater than. And so if you change the side of the applet, it basically doesn't change the value. And so the only thing I can think of is we also have to shade the middle and the right side. But I don't know. That does just
Yeah.
if we do that, it just doesn't make sense why we would. But
Yeah, that's
the
what
thing that makes sense,
well,
we got wrong.
yeah, unless I don't know. Yeah, because it doesn't say if you do the middle part, it's going to be less than the 3.3, right?
Yep.
So that doesn't make sense. Unless we have to work the answer different or something. I don't know. Let's- On this one, I'm wondering, would we take this 0.0051 answer that we got and subtract it from 1, which would be shading the middle too, but I'm just thinking back from something I read. I don't know. I'm not sure how to do this one. So I guess we can try shading in those two and put that answer down and see. And if that one's wrong, we'll try for round 3. Because I'm not sure what else it's asking for. It doesn't make sense.
Mommy, come in. Mommy, cannot let me play with platformer.
Play with.
Oh shoot, I've been muted this whole time. Oh, so what I said, but I guess wasn't heard because I was muted. So on the thing that I'm looking at, it's taking it's taking the, I don't know how to describe this. It's taking the shaded part, the shaded number, minus the part that isn't shaded. I don't know if that makes sense.
Yes, it does.
Okay.
But why? I just don't.
Honestly, I don't know. I just see it here. And
Are you like in the book or?
I am, let me show you where I am. Or I'll send it. So if you click on that link and just scroll down, there's it's like 0.9505 minus 0.0495. And that's how they're doing it. And Lisa was talking about subtracting something, and I agreed, but it was muted. But
Yeah, and I can't remember where I saw it, but I know that I want to say maybe the preparation assignment or something. We had to subtract the difference, but it doesn't make sense. It's asking greater, right?
So what's the value that we get if we do that?
It's going to be, ouch, Callie.
You
0.995, which would be your 99.5 rule, right? Or is that a number? 97, I can't remember. Callie? If you subtract it from 1,
got one in my paper.
but it doesn't,
Hey,
it has to be still what it's asking for.
so I get out of thing.
This is what you have to look forward to, Amanda.
Her?
Just saying.
No.
You're going to be getting your hair combed with a toothbrush soon.
my favorite, just the way I like to be groomed.
Oh my goodness. Glad someone's laughing. Stop.
So did you figure it out, Amanda? If you,
Oh,
I can't remember what the z-score was for that one. I can figure it out really quick, I guess. So 0.07.
didn't we put? Oh shoot! I lost my place and train of thought. Simple. Okay. Okay, so z-score. Shoot, I don't think this is it.
I got it.
Okay. What did you put, just so I know if I did my math right or not?
So
Where did my applet go?
so I got 0.98 or 0.99, I guess. 0.99. I don't know. That just doesn't seem right. There's a 99% chance that the average GPA will be above 3.3.
Well, I'm confused, I guess, because so in 13 where we put the point 0051, and that one was right, correct?
Yes.
Because that one I would think would be the point 991. Stop, because it's saying less than the 3.3, which would, to me, would be the middle one and the end one.
Yeah.
But it was only one section. So I have no idea. So we can put that one in and see. Because I got 0.995 for 3 decimals.
For your z-score or for
No, the z-score I got, the z-score is 2.569.
Get sure on tape. Tape. Or you're not going out. So, come on.
But the, oh my goodness, stop. So if you shade just one of the little tiny portions, you 0051. Oh my goodness.
Time to eat.
I'm going to check in real quick.
I'm sorry, Lisa, I didn't hear that. What?
I said, what was 15 again? I want to make sure I put it down right.
15?
Right. Yeah.
0.055.
put it down right. I'm paranoid now that I have it in wrong.
What was that?
And I'm paranoid that I put some numbers in wrong, so I was going through double checking. And that was my last one.
Hey, Lisa, you do know you're muted, right? In case you're trying to talk to us.
No, I am yelling at my child, so.
Oh, okay. Sorry. You can.
No, you are good. She's, tested me. My boy's were easy compared to her. Do we want to try that one, I guess, and we can turn it in and see?
Yeah, sure. Did you put the cannot be determined, the law of large numbers, and did you put those ones in?
Let me double check here and make sure they're checked. Okay. So let me just do this. So for 8 and 9, we did. So for 9, we did 0.01.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. And 8, we did 2.338.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, 5, I have law of large numbers, and 4 cannot be determined.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will go turn it in real quick and see what it says. Okay, so the first one we missed was 4. We still have that one wrong, so we at least know which one it is. And what was the other one? 5 is right. 8, 8 is right.
Sorry, Lisa.
9.
You're all staticky. What did you say?
8 was correct. 9 is correct.
Okay.
And the last one was 14. Let's see what it is. 14 is correct.
Okay.
And what do we
So-
put for 14.99?
0.995. So the only one that we missed again was, what did I say, 4? 4,
Which
I can't remember what we put the first time.
was the first one was the distribution of the individual observation.
Yeah. So
Okay,
this one
so
is sample means.
Okay. Okay.
So I missed a couple of the questions. Can we just I want to make sure I have them all down right. So 3 was
Which one?
0.175.
Yes.
4
4 is the
sample
middle one.
5 is large numbers. I didn't get 6.
It is 1.045.
1.045. 7 we said was 0.149, right?
8. 148.
8 is 2.338.
Yes.
0.01, approximately normal. 3.5, do I have that right?
Yes.
.078,
Yes.
0.059,
Which
0.995
one?
for 13.059 or
Is 0.0051.
51.
Yeah, 0.0051.
14.995.
Yeah.
And then 15.055.
Yes.
Oh, whoops, I missed one.
Which one?
13.051.
What'd you have?
Those two zeros.
005.
00. Oh,
51.
005?
51.
Wait. I have 5. Wait.
There's only 3 decimals, so it's got to be 005.
That's what I have. I thought. Hold on. Wait, can you type it into the bar? Because every time someone says it, it's always really staticky. Maybe it's just a glitch for me. Point. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Sweet. Well, I guess we will see each other next week. Do you guys watch the BYU football games?
Yes, I do.
I do not.
Last week was a good week.
That was a crazy week, is what it was.
The past weeks, BYU has been taunting and very, well, I don't know. They've all been like super close, but we lost. And so was this last week. It was like super close, but we won. So
Yes, it was a good week.
Who did they play?
Sweet, we got it.
Perfect. Sounds good.
All right, thank you.
all right.
Yep.
See you